What is clean architecture? Clean architecture is a software design approach that brings order and structure to your Flutter code base. It divides your code into distinct layers with its own purpose. First, we have the presentation layer, responsible for user interface and user experience. It is where the magic happens, where you create stunning visual and delightful interaction. Next up, we have the domain layer, the heart and soul of your application. Here, you define your business logic and rules, making your app smart and powerful. And finally, we have the data layer, where you interact with external services and database. This layer handles all the data retrieval and storage, ensuring your app has the information it needs. The dependency rule ensures a healthy and maintainable code base by establishing clear relationship between the layers. According to this rule, each layer can depend only on the layers below it. The presentation layer, responsible for user interface, depends on the domain layer. This means that the presentation layer can make use of business logic defined in the domain layer, but it must remain independent of any specific implementation details. Moving further down, the domain layer is independent and has no knowledge of the presentation layer or data layer. Finally, the data layer sits at the bottom, responsible for handling external services and data source. It depends on domain layer to execute business operation. However, it must steer clear of any knowledge about the presentation layer or how the data will be presented. By the help of dependency rule, your code base becomes modular, flexible, and easy to maintain. Changes in one layer won't cascade through entire system, allowing for seamless updates and modifications. By separating these concerns, clean architecture keeps your code base clean and organized. It enables easier updates, enhances code quality, and promotes collaboration among developers. With clean architecture, your Flutter app becomes scalable, maintainable, and testable masterpiece. So, embrace clean architecture and unlock the full potential of your Flutter development journey.